Dear students, that day we have seen some important formula or some basic formulas of derivative. Now let's see, if y is equal to ax plus b upon cx plus d, then dy by dx is equal to ad minus bc upon cx plus d the whole square. For example, y is equal to 3x plus 2 upon 2x minus 1. So a is 3, b is 2, c is 2, d is minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to ad minus bc. So minus 3 minus 4 upon 2x minus 1 the whole square, that is minus 7 upon 2x minus 1 the whole square. Similarly, if y is equal to a of x plus b upon c of x plus d, then dy by dx is equal to ad minus bc into f dash x upon c of x plus d the whole square. For example, y is equal to 2 sin x minus 3 upon 4 sin x plus 5. So this is dy by dx is equal to ad minus bc. So 2 5s are 10, minus minus plus 12 into f dash x. Derivative of sin x is cos x upon 4 sin x plus 5 the whole square. So these formulas are very important formula and they help you a lot. Now that day we have seen the product rule, division rule. Now I would like to say chain rule. Or derivative of composite function. Derivative of composite functions. So always remember one thing, while differentiating, you have to differentiate each and every term, whatever comes in front of you. You have to differentiate it. So dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. This chain can be made very long. For example, if I say y is equal to under root sin x. Now look here. The first thing you are seeing is the root. सबसे पहले आपको रूट दिख रहा है, तो आपको रूट का डेरिवेटिव याद रखना है. अब आपको मालूम है कि रूट का डेरिवेटिव 1/2 रूट होता है. देखो तरीका देखो ध्यान से. आप क्या याद रखो कि व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट. So derivative of root is 1/2 root. Derivative of root is 1/2 root. So dy by dx is equal to 1/2 root sin x. So first thing we have done, we have taken the derivative of root. Now take the derivative what is inside the root. So inside the root is sin x. So derivative of sin x is cos x. So this is equal to cos x upon 2 root sin x. Cos x upon 2 root sin x. Y is equal to 1 upon under root 2x plus 3 minus under root 2x plus 4. I'll make it plus 2. Now remember one thing. If the denominator contains root between the two root plus or minus sign, then before differentiating, you have to rationalize the denominator by multiplying and dividing by its conjugate. So this will become under root 2x plus 3 plus under root 2x plus 2 upon 2x plus 3 minus 2x minus 2. So 2x gone cancel, 3 minus 2 is 1. So y is equal to under root 2x plus 3 plus under root 2x plus 2. So differentiate, dy by dx is equal to first derivative of root. So 1 upon 2 root 2x plus 3. Then derivative of what is inside the root, that is 2x plus 3. So derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2x plus 2. Then derivative of 2x plus 2 is 2. So 2 and 2 got cancelled. So the final answer is 1 upon under root 2x plus 3. So just always remember that whatever comes in front of you, you have to take the derivative of that. I have given you d by dx of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. Similarly, d by dx of e raised to fx. So it will be e raised to fx. But you have to find the derivative of fx also. So it is f dash x. Now for example, y is equal to e raised to tan x. Y is equal to e raised to tan x. So dy by dx is equal to e raised to tan x. Then derivative of tan x is sec square x. So remember, we have to differentiate each and every term. Suppose I say y is equal to sine of root x. Now look here. The first thing which we are seeing is sine. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of sine is cos of root x. Now we have to find the derivative of root x. So it is 1 upon 2 root x. So the final answer is cos root x upon 2 root x. Cos root x upon 2 root x. So remember one thing in derivative, we have to differentiate each and every term. That is the most important thing, that we have to differentiate each and everything. Now, I will take some more example. Let us see derivative of say y is equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 5 raised to 7 by 2. So the first thing which you see is the power. That means we have to use the power formula and we will take the derivative of power first. So dy by dx is equal to 7 by 2 2x square plus 3x minus 5 raised to 7 by 2 minus 1 into d by dx of 2x square plus 3x minus 5. So this is 7 by 2, 2x square plus 3x minus 5 raised to 5 by 2. Now derivative of 2x square is 4x plus 3. So your final answer becomes 7 by 2, 4x plus 3, 2x square plus 3x minus 5 raised to 5 by 2. So to continue getting the videos, you have to like and subscribe it, so that I will be sending all the videos to you. Every day you will be getting a video of 10 minutes. So like it and subscribe it.